Hello everybody. So our chapter number 7 is going on, that is understanding advertising. Okay. Up to the advertisement is important into the society. Up to that we have completed. What are the means of advertisement? We are going to start from this particular topic. Okay. Chapter number 7, that is understanding advertising of the civics. Okay. The next topic is means of advertisement. What is included into the means of advertisement? That is door-to-door advertising, posters and leaflets, and the billboards. Along with that, there is electronic media. Through the electronic media, we can use to advertise our particular product, or through the social media. Along with that, display. How into the malls or into the trade fairs, you have seen there is a display screen on which advertisement is used to be proceeded. Okay, and you are getting attracted to that particular display. Yes, this type of advertisement is going on into that, and you used to purchase that particular product into the market. So we are going to start this chapter by these particular topics. First one is means of advertisement. Companies used a variety of means of advertising their product. There are variety of means which is being used by the company to advertise their particular product. They could be any or mix of the following. First one is door-to-door advertisement. What is the door-to-door advertisement? Obviously, sometimes you have seen that people used to come at your door. They used to sell the surf or soap or their shawls or any cloth they used to sell. And some people are coming to your home just to do the advertisement through the pamphlets, or we can say that leaflets. And they come at your home and used to say that this is a good product, or we are going to open the coaching center, and whatever they are used to say, that they are using a medium to advertise each and everything to you, to give you information related to the particular product or the particular coaching center. Okay, so that is the door-to-door advertisement. They used to come at your home and advertise their particular their product, or whatever they want to say or they want to sell. The sample of a particular product are exhibited or distributed from door to door to make people aware about the product. To make the people aware about related to a singular product, they used to go door to door and give a sample of that product, by which people could be able to get aware that how this product is helping them related to a particular work. Next, poster and leaflets. How they are using poster and leaflets? First one is, companies may print leaflets and send them into the houses along with the newspaper, or employ people to distribute leaflets into the market. What is the leaflets? You can say that pamphlets. Okay. You have ever seen that when you are reading the newspaper and you just open the newspaper, there is sheet used to be flow down on the floor. That particular sheet is related to advertisement of a product, or any coaching center, or any study, or any bank, or any hospital. That pamphlet is used to be distributed among the people, by which people could be able to aware of that. Next, you have also seen that outside of the colleges, or outside of the schools, or outside of the coaching center, or any circle of the road, they used to stand over there and distribute the pamphlet or leaflets to the people, and saying that this, and telling about their product or anything they used to advertise. Next, this way is much cheaper than printing it in the newspaper itself. Distributing the pamphlets is much cheaper as that of the advertisement is being done into the newspaper. Next, billboards. You have seen many billboards into the market, or that a particular advertisement, any particular what we say, advertisement is been written over there. That is advertising board of various size and shapes is been, you have seen on the in the center of the market or outside of the market or around all around the city, are displayed in the market areas or bus stands along with the roads behind the sides of the buses, taxis and the trains. In smaller towns you can also see them painted on the walls and houses. Outside of the houses, you have ever seen that here when you come to your school, there is a house on which it has been written, an advertisement has been written that दिन दहाड़े English बोलना सीखिए. That is the particular logo, particular what we say, slogan of that coaching center, that दिन दहाड़े English बोलना सीखिए. So this type of advertisement you can see on the wall of a house or into the public area. You can see on the walls there are so many advertisement is been written related to the colleges, related to the schools, related to the coaching centers. It has been already written over there. So these are the things, these are known as the billboards, where you used a flat surface on which you write a particular on which you write things related to the particular product or coaching center or related to the college or anything you want to advertise. You used a flat surface and write over that or paint over that. Next, electronic media. How electronic media help in that? The most popular means of advertisement today is the electronic media. Obviously, you are using your mobile phone, your laptop, your tablet, your television. The main mean of communication and the main mean of advertisement is the electronic media. This is the most attractive to the brain of the customer as they have an audio and visual impact. This is the most attractive way to gain the attraction of the people, because in this both audio and visual impact has been given to the people, given to the customer. Next, people see the advertisement repeatedly between the programs and this leave an image in their mind that if you are getting the advertisement of Dabur Chyawanprash or Patanjali Chyawanprash or many other products, then you will think into your mind, yes, इससे खाने से ज़रूर सर्दी जाती होगी, इसलिए हमें डाबर च्यवनप्राश खाना चाहिए. We should eat डाबर च्यवनप्राश. So these advertisement make an impact on you that it has been get repeated into the program, by which you just make your mind and what we say, buy that particular product. Okay, when they go to the market, they remember the product and tend to buy it. Obviously, when you go into the market, then you are just prepared your mind that yes, I have to take that product, it is beneficial for us, it will give good effect. So you used to go into the market and purchase that particular product. So display. What do you know about the display? That is, companies also promote their product by attractive display in trade fairs, malls, shopping areas and close to the park. Next one is type of advertisement. What are the type of advertisement? First one is political, second one is informative, third one is social, and fourth one commercial, and fifth one is classified advertisement. So these are the types of advertisement. We used to read it, we used to know it into the next video. Right now, up to these means of advertisement we have completed. Okay, and you have to find out the question answer. It has been given into the let's check. Find out the particular question answers and learn it, because it is important to come into, it will come into the exam. So prepare yourself for the examination also. Don't sit and don't disturb your guardians always. Okay, be prepare yourself. Thank you so much.